Have you ever looked at your dog or a bird outside your window and wondered exactly what they were thinking? For centuries, humans have dreamed of talking to animals. We thought it was pure science fiction, but right now, artificial intelligence is on the verge of breaking the interspecies communication barrier. Welcome back. Today we are answering a mind-bending question. Can AI decode animal languages? And if it can, what are they saying? To understand how this works, we have to look at how AI learns language. When you use tools like ChatGPT, the AI doesn't actually know English. It maps words into a giant, multi-dimensional geometric space. Words with similar meanings cluster together. In 2017, researchers made a massive breakthrough. They realized that the geometric shapes of different human languages, like English and Mandarin, are actually incredibly similar. If you overlap the shapes, you can translate between unknown languages without a dictionary. Now, scientists are applying this exact same logic to bioacoustics. Instead of feeding the AI human text, they are feeding it massive datasets of animal sounds. Millions of hours of whale clicks, bird songs, and dolphin squeaks. Enter the Earth Species Project. This nonprofit has developed Nature LM Audio, the world's first large audio language model designed specifically for animal sounds. It is currently being used to identify complex patterns in everything from zebra finches to beluga whales. But the most ambitious effort happening right now is Project SETI. SETI stands for the Cetacean Translation Initiative. They have deployed a massive underwater recording studio off the coast of Dominica to listen to sperm whales. Sperm whales communicate using codas, rapid sequences of clicks that sound a bit like Morse code. By running these codas through advanced machine learning algorithms, researchers have discovered that whales have regional dialects. They take turns speaking. They even use specific acoustic markers that act just like vowels, diphthongs, and punctuation in human grammar. Google DeepMind is also in the race, recently developing Dolphin Gemma, an AI tool trained on 40 years of dolphin data to decipher their complex social interactions. But translating animal language isn't just about audio. Animals communicate across multiple dimensions. Dogs use a complex mix of tail wags, ear positions, and scent markers. Bees use intricate dances. To truly decode their language, AI models are now integrating video and behavioral data to build a complete, multimodal map of how a species interacts. So, when will we actually have a universal translator for nature? Experts believe we will have rudimentary dictionaries for certain species, like sperm whales, by the end of the decade. But this raises a profound ethical question. Once we can talk back, should we? If we broadcast AI-generated whale clicks into the ocean, we could accidentally disrupt their fragile social structures. On the flip side, understanding their communication could revolutionize conservation. Imagine being able to warn a pod of whales about a nearby cargo ship, or knowing exactly what an endangered species needs to survive because their vocalizations tell us. We are moving from observing nature to finally listening to it. And what we hear might just change our relationship with the planet forever. What animal would you want to talk to first if this technology becomes a reality? Let me know down in the comments.